reality of one of the world's best airports. Delhi airport's roof comes crashing down. Ugly BJP Congress blame game. Who was in power when the roof was constructed? Government offers compensation. But who will fix accountability? Delhi shame after a few hours of rain. Delhi rain mess. All right, more news coming in. FIR filed in Delhi Terminal 1 roof collapse. Case filed against unknown person. Death by negligence charge has been slapped. India Today has spoken to the injured victim. The victim recounts the roof collapse horror. We'll be getting in more details of that big story in a moment from now, but a case has now been filed against unknown person after one person was killed and 8 others injured in the horrific roof collapse at Delhi's Terminal 1 airport, essentially at the Indira Gandhi airport in Terminal 1. A political blame game also started immediately after that horrific accident. An FIR has been filed in the Terminal 1 roof collapse matter. The case has now been filed against unknown persons. Death by negligence charge has been slapped. India Today also has in fact spoken to one of the injured persons in this case. Remember, there were 8 people were injured in total, 1 person who died in that horrible accident. Also, the deceased has been identified as Ramesh Kumar, the person who was in fact in his car when a roof came crashing down on him, killing him instantly. A resident of Rohini in Delhi, there was a cab driver who passed away, the pictures of whom sent shockwaves across the country. Injured have been identified as Santosh Yadav, Dashrath, Arvind, Sahil, Yogesh. These are the injured. Earlier today, the Civil Aviation Minister also in fact met with the injured in a hospital in Delhi where they are in fact recuperating. An FIR has been filed in the Delhi Terminal 1 roof collapse matter. Case has been filed against unknown persons. The death by negligence charge has been slapped. India Today has spoken to the injured victim, who's recounting the horror. Arvind, in fact, my colleague spoke with the victims, one of the injured persons in this case. Let's take a listen.
अरविंद जी, आप भी ये जो एयरपोर्ट पे हादसा हुआ उसमें घायल हुए थे ना?
हाँ जी सर।
क्या हुआ था, पूरा घटना कैसे हुआ था?
सर मैं तो काम कर रहा था, काम करते करते गिलास ऊपर से जब गिरा मेरे सर पे तो मैं तो बेहोश भी हो गया था सर। हाँ, फिर वहाँ से सर लोग उठा के लेके आए, तब उसके बाद मेरे बाद में पता लगा।
तो ये कितने बजे की घटना रही होगी, क्या काम चल रहा?
ये 3:30 बजे की बात है सर।
अच्छा, तो वहाँ पर आप लोगों जो शेड गिरा है उसके नीचे ही काम कर रहे थे?
हाँ जी सर।
अच्छा,
तो बस आप लोग के दुआ थे कि हम थोड़ा इधर आ गए थे और जब गिरने लगा जैसे इधर आए तैसे वहाँ से वो कांच आ गया।
अच्छा, नहीं तो आप लोग काम क्या कर रहे थे? कुछ लोग बोल रहे थे कि बारिश का पानी जमा हो गया था।
हाँ जी, वही अंदर पानी जा रहा था जिधर ये VIP लोग जाते हैं, 1 नंबर गेट पे हमारी ड्यूटी लगी थी। वहाँ अंदर पानी जा रहा है। सुपरवाइजर सर बोले कि यहाँ से पानी खींचो। हम 2 बंदे मिलके खींच रहे थे। उसके बाद खींचते जब ये हादसा हुआ तो। अच्छा,
तो क्या हुआ था हादसा? क्या क्या गिरने लग गया था? किस तरह का मंजर था?
ये पीछे से आवाज आई जैसे बिजली का कड़क नहीं होता सर, वही हिसाब से आवाज आई। लेकिन जब ऊपर से देखा तो वो पूरा बिन गिरते हुए नीचे आ रहा था। तो इससे हम लोग भागे, तब तक वो गेट जो है लगा मेरे धाक से, फिर ऊपर से वो गिलास से गिर गया सर।
अरे, तो कितने लोग इसमें घायल रहे होंगे, कुछ है अंदाजा?
सर मैं तो अपना भी देख रहा हूँ सर, अभी सबको क्या बताऊं, मैं पता नहीं लगा पाया कि किसको क्या हुआ। मैं खुद अपने को मौत से निकल के आया हूँ सर, बस यही इतना आप लोग का आशीर्वाद है।
नहीं तो अभी आपका इलाज ठीक चल रहा है?
हाँ सर, चल रहा है।
अच्छा, पुलिस ने बयान वगैरह लिया आपका? आप रहने वाले कहाँ के हैं?
अयोध्या के हैं सर।
अयोध्या के रहने वाले हैं। तो अभी यहाँ पे क्या काम करते किसी मतलब?
हाउस कीपिंग का काम करते हैं।
हाउस कीपिंग।
The roof of Delhi's Airport Terminal 1 collapsed in the aftermath of heavy rainfall today. One person, a cab driver, was killed in the impact, but at least 8 others are left injured. Airline operations halted in Terminal 1 while the Civil Aviation Minister has formed a panel to probe this shocking roof collapse. Amid this, a BJP versus Congress blame game erupted over the airport infrastructure.
Don't take your eyes off the screen. This is the Delhi International Airport. Billed as one of the world's best. Early morning on Monday, the roof at Terminal 1 came crashing down, crushing an unsuspecting cab driver to instant death. 8 others are battling injuries. It was absolute mayhem at the airport as it failed to cope with a few hours of rain.
This debris that you see behind me is the proof of as to what happened at that point in time. Unfortunately, 1 person has died because of this accident. 4 are injured. That's what we are being told. And right now, safety audit of Terminal 1 of the IGI airport is being done. The authorities have shut down the operation of the Terminal 1 airport. It has been completely evacuated in a way, you can say, and only tomorrow morning when the safety audit will be done again, only after that the operations could continue here.
Flight 2 and from Terminal 1 were cancelled. The Union Civil Aviation Minister, who recently took the charge, visited the airport to inspect the deadly collapse.
We have asked the DIAL, Delhi International Airport Limited also, is to do a verification inspection from their side. But we are not just leaving it up to themselves. The ministry, from the ministry, we have DGCA also, which underlooks the safety aspect. So they will also be supervisioning this inspection, and they will also give us a report. And from our ministry side, I can assure you that this is taken as a very serious incident.
An investigation has been ordered. The government has announced 20 lakh rupees for the family of the deceased. The opposition trained guns on the Narendra Modi government over the accident.
आज दिल्ली का एयरपोर्ट का गिरना, पानी रोड पे और घरों का अंदर आना और संविधान सदन पार्लियामेंट का अंदर कंप्लीटली बंद हो गया इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, और ये सारे चीज हो रही है क्यूमिन से करप्ट एटीट्यूड का ऊपर और क्रिमिनल नेग्लिजेंस है.
The BJP hit back, saying the roof that collapsed was built in 2009 during the UPA rule. Praful Patel, the Civil Aviation Minister in 2009, who is now in the NDA, urged political parties not to politicize the accident.
एक इमारत 15 साल पहले बनी, 15 साल तक अपना काम मतलब वहाँ से जारी था. अगर दुर्घटना हुई है तो उसकी जांच होनी चाहिए. अगर कोई गलत कुछ पाया जाएगा तो उसको दुरुस्त करना चाहिए. कोई जिम्मेदार अगर होगा तो उसके ऊपर एक्शन लेनी चाहिए. लेकिन इसमें राजनीति कहाँ से आती है?
While the netas bicker over the collapsed roof at the Delhi airport, the accident has exposed the authorities at multiple levels. Don't take your eyes off the screen, because what you see is living proof of criminal negligence that cost a human life. And all it took was a few hours of rain. With Amit Bharadwaj in Delhi, Bureau Report, India Today.
This is Delhi's Hall of Shame, really, with these horrific pictures pouring in this morning, just sending shockwaves not just in Delhi but across the country, of the man who died in that car when the roof collapsed on his car. Anika Mehrotra, national spokesperson of the Congress, is now joining us. Harish Khurana, spokesperson of the BJP. We also have Reena Gupta, spokesperson of the Aam Aadmi Party, because it's not just what happened at the Delhi airport, but also what happened across the city today that has left us wondering who is responsible, whom to then ask questions of. Thank you all for your time. I want to begin by asking Harish Khurana, as far as this incident from Terminal 1 of the Delhi airport is concerned, the BJP has been very quick to say that this was built in the year 2009 when we weren't even in power. It was a Congress government. Was this warranted, this sort of a response? Because many said that this is unfair, given that this airport has been functioning, and to say things of this nature is obviously giving a sense that the BJP doesn't want to take responsibility. Harish Khurana.
See, hello to you and to all your viewers. And before I comment on what you asked, from my party also, my heartfelt condolences to the whole family of the deceased family which has expired today. Now you are asking about why BJP was so much hurry. BJP, as far as BJP is concerned and NDA is concerned, BJP and NDA has already asked for an inquiry, and I assured to all your viewers, whoever will be the culprit will not be spared. That is for sure. That is my commitment to your viewers. But when you say why BJP is doing politics on this, we have not started. Congress president tweeted that this is an act from our Modi ji government. This is a clear-cut case of corruption. So as a political party, we have full right to respond what the actual truth is. And your viewers should also know what the actual truth is. 2009, it has been made. It has been inaugurated. The area which today has been collapsed, it was built in before 2009 and inaugurated in 2009. You remember one more thing, because it's an act of corruption. Why? The reason behind is this. You remember, you are a journalist before also, and you've seen CWG scam also at that time. You remember Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium bridge collapse also? There was same case, corruption. Today, it has the wall which has fallen is again a corruption issue.
Harish Khurana, that bridge came down during the time of the construction itself. That's extremely different from a roof, in fact, of the airport, which has, in fact, served the people for 15 long years, by the admission of the former Civil Aviation Minister, who was at that point in time a Civil Aviation Minister, Praful Patel, and now is with the NDA. So that served for 15 years, and the Jawaharlal Nehru Bridge collapse happened during the time of the construction. Is that even, comparable?
I'm not comparing. What I'm trying to say that time also, corruption was one of the major issues, CWG scam. You remember that? Today also, when it is made, only in CWG time only. My only thing is, what I'm trying to say that nobody will be spared, whether it's a Congress government, whether it's today's any officer or GMR, whoever is responsible, not will be spared. But only thing is, why they want to do in so much hurry that Modi government ne corruption kar diya. On what basis you are asking that time?
Upkeep and maintenance. I want to ask you, yes. Onika Mehrotra, I want to ask you, upkeep and maintenance, and we've been asking this question of the BJP. What is your sense about it? We've been talking about how upkeep and maintenance is extremely important during this entire period from 2009 till now, and certainly the government of the day has got some answering to do. But what do you have to tell the BJP today? Because they say that the Congress started this blame game.
Ma'am, I think there's a proverb which says, a stitch in time saves 9. And if they would have been careful, if they would have done the maintenance, things wouldn't have happened. The other point where clearly it comes out here is that, you see, so many other things have been built. The Jabalpur airport, for example, it collapsed. So now, these things, and BJP loves to rewind the clock. You can't keep rewinding the clock all the time. You need to take forward. You've been here in 10 years in power. You should have done the maintenance. And the other major point, ma'am, massive fee has been taken by the airport authority. What happens to that money? What happens to maintenance? I mean, you can't take the lives of the passengers or the people who are coming there for granted. It's a shameful thing. You have to have accountability.
Harish Khurana, maintenance is an ongoing process. A lot has been said about the fact that maintenance is an ongoing process. I mean, imagine a situation where something happens, where there is an accident, say, something comes crashing down, hurting people, maybe killing people, something that was built 30 years ago. Can the BJP turn around and say, 30 saal pehle to hum sarkar mein nahi the? Harish Khurana, the fact is that maintenance and upkeep is the responsibility of the administration, isn't it? And you are in power.
Sinha, as far as already stated before, the inquiry has been already been conducted. And I'm assuring your viewers again, nobody will be spared. That is for sure. whether it's
But
dial,
things have already
whether
happening, Harish ji. It's too late.
Monica,
Don't allow these things
I
to
mean,
happen. You have to.
Monica,
It's a wake-up call for all
let
of
me
you.
complete.
Your
Monica,
railway
let me
accidents, Jabalpur airport.
Monica, let me
How long
complete.
will you keep saying, Harish?
Monica,
How
my
long will you
friend,
keep saying, Harish Bhaiya?
Monica,
That
my
we are,
friend, let me complete. Let me complete,
Okay,
please.
okay.
Let me complete, please. Only thing is, what I'm trying to say that, whether it's dial, whether it's GMR, privatized people, whether it's a contractor, nobody will be spared. I assure you thing. And
Okay.
आगे से ऐसा ना हो, we are taking a strong steps, but we will not take this
What
in the
are
act
the
of
steps?
corruption.
Railway accidents
Okay.
have taken place. You keep saying आगे नहीं होगा, but it's still happening.
An FIR has been
How-
filed
how-
against an unknown person.
Prevention is better than
Up until
cure.
now, this has been said. My question really is whether there is going to be any accountability heads rolling. What kind of action? This is criminal negligence. Look at those pictures. Absolutely heartbreaking. Reena Gupta also, in fact, is with us, and she's the spokesperson of the Aam Aadmi Party. Reena Gupta, shifting focus very briefly from the Terminal 1 airport, Terminal 1 at the Indira Gandhi International Airport where this accident took place. Let's go back to the national capital. Promises have been made by your government that what was done by the previous governments won't be repeated. So if there rains, then the infrastructure won't come crumbling down. But look at what we saw in Delhi today. Should the Aam Aadmi Party government not have some serious answering to do on that front?
Allow me a moment, please.
Yes.
First of all, my heart goes out to the people who've lost their lives on on the Indira Gandhi International Airport. And this is not the first instance of a terminal falling. Yesterday in Jabalpur also a terminal fell down.
Yes.
In the last 1 year, several bridges have fallen down. Highways that have been inaugurated by the Prime Minister, whether it's Atal Setu or the Bundelkhand Expressway, the moment the Prime Minister inaugurates the highway, 1 month later, you see cracks. This is nothing but blatant corruption. The model is chanda lo, dhanda do, fita kato aur aage badho. This terminal was inaugurated by the Prime Minister on the 10th of March. Hardly few months have passed that the terminal has fallen down.
Okay.
And if you look into this, you will see that all of these companies have given electoral bonds, chanda, to the Bharatiya Janata Party. So it is chanda do, dhanda lo. After that, nobody cares. The lives of common people are at risk. Every day, bridges are falling down in Bihar, in UP, all over the country. And at one level, the Prime Minister says, na main khaunga, na khane dunga. Forget. Can I please complete? Onika ji, let me complete. I did not interrupt when the two of you were speaking. Please allow me the same courtesy. So it is not just here. You remember the tunnel in Uttarakhand where people were entrapped for so many days? The same thing happened there. The tunnel people, the construction company had given chanda to the Bharatiya Janata Party. You remember
I got
the
your
Morbi
point.
Bridge? Remember
Yes,
the Morbi Bridge?
Reena Gupta, I get your point about infrastructure crumbling in different parts of the country, and yes, questions have to be asked. But also, what happened in Delhi today? What is the Aam Aadmi Party government going to do about this entire situation? Because promises were made that this isn't going to happen. I mean, there are expectations of the Aam Aadmi Party that came to power saying that ye party corrupt hai, ye party corrupt hai. We are going to be different. We will be the ones who will bring the change. What has AAP done differently? If AAP had done something differently, then we wouldn't have seen these scenes today from the national capital of the country.
So, Delhi and the NCR area has seen record rainfall. 228 mm of rainfall has fallen in the NCR area. This is a record of 90 years. After 90 years, this record has been broken. So you see the parts of NCR, whether it's Noida, Ghaziabad, Gurgaon, Delhi, have all been badly impacted. Just to give your viewers an idea, Delhi on an average receives 800 millimeter of rainfall. So what we received in the last 24 hours is 25% of the whole 800 millimeter in 1 day. So I agree that right now several areas are waterlogged, but the PWD and the MCD, all the officials, ministers, councillors, MLAs, everybody is on the ground. In the last 24 hours, a large part of the waterlogging has been resolved. I can
Neha,
assure your
Neha.
viewers
Yes.
that by 10 o'clock tonight, everything
No, this
will be
is wrong.
taken care
Absolutely
of.
Okay,
wrong.
10
This
o'clock
is
tonight.
wrong here completely. No.
This
Right,
is
yes.
because everybody is
cannot
on the
wait.
ground. And
I'm just going to bring in
large-scale
Harish Khurana
operations are
and
being
also,
undertaken.
yes,
that
1
the
minute.
problem will be
Neha.
resolved by
No,
tonight.
Anika Malhotra as well. Be with us.
Neha,
Harish Khurana,
Neha.
come in. Yes.
Neha, Reena Gupta was saying sorry about what has happened a person died in a T1 terminal today. But 2 people have died today because of this rain today in Delhi.
But
She's
let's
not
not
uttering a single word.
forget that this is not just Delhi.
Reena,
The whole
Reena,
of NCR.
Reena,
whether
Oh,
it's
come on,
Noida
Reena,
come on,
or
man.
Ghaziabad.
You
Come
know,
on.
Reena
Come
Gupta,
on,
I
Reena.
live in Noida and let me tell you, Noida was not half as
Because
bad.
Reena,
Reena Gupta, I can
Reena,
vouch
this is
for
wrong.
this.
when we have such extreme
Reena
weather
Gupta,
Neha,
events,
what is this?
Latin's
that in
Delhi was
24 hours
flooded.
you
Neha,
get
what
so
is
much
this?
rainfall,
Yes.
Neha, what is
obviously
this?
things take a
Yes.
while to get
Neha,
settle
मैं कुछ
down.
बोल
Reena
रहा हूँ
Gupta,
and
one
she started
second.
again.
Okay, Reena
I'm
Gupta,
not
1
doing this.
second. First of all, let Harish Khurana make his point, and also I was telling
My
you
only point
that
is-
trust
my only-
me, please, that you did mention that Delhi and NCR was badly affected, but let me tell you that Noida, where we are right now, wasn't half as bad.
Yeah.
And we saw pictures coming in from Latin's Delhi. Harish Khurana, go ahead.
Yeah. So she's not uttering a single word about what the 2 people have
NDMC
died today.
area is actually managed by the central government.
Yes, we will ask BJP the questions that
And
as
today
well.
you
Reena
saw
coming to
Gupta,
that
let
also.
Harish Khurana make his
of
point.
members of parliament
She will not let me.
being
She will
able
not
to
let
get
me.
Gupta,
to
let
the
Harish
parliament
Khurana make
because
his
the
point.
NDMC area was waterlogged.
We will
Can I
talk to
now?
you about that as well.
Can
Harish
I now?
Khurana, go on. Yes.
Allow me now. So
Yes.
about Delhi, this is a routine affair. Year after year, we are seeing it. What is the argument of Arvind Kejriwal government? We are not responsible. 2 years back, MCD was responsible. Now what has happened? MCD is yours. Irrigation department is yours. Jal board is yours.
I
Delhi
never said
government
we're
is-
not responsible. Harish Khurana, I
ये क्या
said we
ये?
are
Neha,
in the
Neha,
thick of
she
the
said we are
situation.
interrupting
We are
me
trying
this
to
way.
manage
She keep on
Okay.
interrupting me.
24 hours.
You know,
Keep on interrupting me.
Reena Gupta, I'll
on the
give you an
ground,
opportunity.
working
Let
round
Harish
the
Khurana
clock
make his
from
point.
4
Reena
o'clock
Gupta,
at night.
Reena Gupta, let him make his point. I'll give you an opportunity to rebut.
She has a
Harish
habit of
Khurana.
doing this when she's
Okay,
exposed
Harish
to
Khurana.
that. So my only
Okay.
point is now today, 2 days back, Haryana was responsible for not availability of water. Today is an act of God because God has sent so much rain in Delhi, so we are helpless. Come on, if you can't do it, resign it. Problem is Delhi requires a full-time chief minister. A man who is inside the jail cannot run our government in Delhi. Problem is this, and stop doing a blame game. Earn a responsibility. And yes, today Arvind Kejriwal has fulfilled one promise. He has promised one thing: I'll make Delhi a city of lakes. He has made the city of lakes. Today, if you see whole Delhi, we have seen lakes and lakes and lakes in Delhi only.
All right. In fact, that video has in fact been going viral of the Chief Minister talking about how Delhi will become Jhilo ka sheher. Anika Malhotra, your take on what's happened in Delhi. Aam Aadmi Party has been your alliance partner for the Lok Sabha elections. What do you have to say about the disaster that Delhi was today?
Ma'am, it's not the question of having an alliance. If something is wrong, it is wrong. Category for everybody.
Okay.
It cannot be
Okay.
right if they are in alliance. The point is both Bharatiya Janata Party and Aam Aadmi Party have the habit of having rhetorics, not moving ahead with the work. No resignation, no accountability, except the political gimmicks that they do. The point is that they're not willing to act before things are happening. Didn't they know
Okay.
monsoon will come? Didn't they know the temperatures are going to score very high? The heat wave, people died on the street. There was no water. But again, the blame game. Ye nahi deta, wo nahi deta. Same thing goes for rains. Where is the diesel thing? You are in MCD. The first day the house didn't work because there was infighting. So the whole crux of the whole story is that these people have not come here to work for the people of the state. They've only come here to fill their own buckets. That's all I can say.
Okay.
And leaving Delhi in a state of mess.
Okay. I just want to ask you, since Reena Gupta brought this up, NDMC area under the central government,
Yes,
PWD
I'll
area
reply.
under the Delhi government. Harish Khurana, come in. Yes.
You're talking about NDMC. We should understand two things, ma'am. And that's the irony of Delhi. The exit point from NDMC is from six places. And that has been taken care by whom? PWD department and irrigation department. That's the fact of Delhi is. The exit point is choked. We should understand that thing. And that is a pure responsibility of PWD. Also,
Okay.
I have viral that video. I've already tweeted one video that through PWD water, the water has been sent to the Prakriti Milan tunnel. I mean, what kind of politics they are doing it? We should understand the Delhi problem.
Can I come in, please? Can I come in?
Today,
Yes.
Today, the whole responsibility today is of Delhi government, MCD, PWD, Irrigation Department, and Jal Board. So don't
Okay.
claim now, like 2 years before, MCD के नाले खाले थे जी, अब नहीं बोल सकते, MCD आपके पास है.
You know, I'll tell you what, okay, Reena Gupta, before I come to you, the people actually demand accountability. Guess what? People in fact are asking questions of the government. Why is that my area is inundated? They're not bothered whether it is under the PWD or whether it's under the NDMC or whether it is under the CPWD. Same goes in the case of the airport accident as well, where the family members of that deceased victim, a 45-year-old cab driver who died when he was in his car and the roof fell on him and he was killed, will not be bothered about who constructed, who was in power when that roof was constructed. All that they know is that they've lost a loved one. When I ask you my next question, please do keep this in mind. Reena Gupta, what about accountability? Because today was seriously ugly scenes from the national capital, not just inconveniences. Leave that aside for a moment. Extremely risky cases of electrocution that could have been a possibility. We're waiting to hear, in fact, or get a sense from the ground about what the actual scenario really is as of now. Reena Gupta.
So first of all, I never said that we are not responsible. We are responsible for Delhi. And that is the reason why you see all the officers, all the ministers, MLAs, councillors, everybody has been on the ground trying to solve this problem. We have to
When you
understand
create the mess, I'm sorry to interrupt, but when you
can
create
you
the
please
mess,
keep quiet?
I'm
Can you
sorry.
please
No,
quiet,
I
please?
just come back to you.
Can you
Anika
please be
Mehrotra.
quiet?
Because
You don't
have
want
been
to listen to
listening
my
others.
answers, then what's
No,
the point?
I will not, because you're speaking
Please
wrong.
keep quiet.
Complete wrong
Please
information.
keep quiet
You
and
have to
listen
remain
to
quiet.
me.
You have to
Allow
remain
Anika
quiet.
Mehrotra, I'll
You
just
have
come
to
back to
remain
you.
quiet.
Anika
You have
Mehrotra,
to
let
remain
you
quiet
make
now.
your point.
Enough is enough.
Let Reena
Enough is
Gupta
enough,
come
ma'am.
We are not
Everybody's on the
passing
ground.
the buck.
Everybody's
Like
on the
Harish
ground.
Khurana is saying,
When the water is here,
like Harish
when the
Khurana
water is neck
said
deep,
that somebody else
you
built
don't.
the
You have been
airport, we
interfering.
didn't
You have
build
not
the
been
airport.
working,
We are
ma'am.
not
You
passing the
speak
buck.
wrong things.
We
You
are
are
saying
thinking
yes,
wrong
and that
things.
is the
Absolutely
reason
wrong on
a
your part.
helpline
Today
has
was
been
a mess.
set up.
You should have
Everybody's on
seen
the
to it.
ground.
The
But we
rains will be
have to
coming
realize
and we have to
that this
prepare
is
for
a
it.
record
You are not
rainfall.
prepared, madam.
A
You
record
are not
of
prepared.
90
You
years
have to
has
feel
been
sorry
broken,
about
that
it.
25%
People have been delayed. There were
rainfall
accidents on
has
the road.
dropped, has
This is
fallen
wrong on
on
your part
Delhi
of
in the
blaming
last
others.
24
You have been
hours.
doing that
Whereas
for
if you
10
see
years.
Gurgaon or
For
you
10
see Noida,
years.
did you
Enough
see a
is
single
enough,
meeting
ma'am.
or a single
Enough.
MLA or a
Enough.
single
You are
MP
messed
on
with
the
Delhi.
ground?
Reena
You have
Gupta, let
created
Anika
havoc.
Mehrotra make the last few points. Anika
It's not
Mehrotra,
like
we
Gurgaon
just
and
have...
Noida.
All right, Anika Mehrotra, quick 30 seconds to you. Anika Mehrotra, quick 30 seconds to you.
Ma'am, they have created a havoc with Delhi. What Sheila ji had done, a world-class city. Today, they have put Delhi backward 10 years. Not 1 inch of work has moved ahead. Ma'am, they can't say, oh, we were on the streets. When we were neck deep in water? When everybody was floating there?
Okay.
When we were all delayed? Why didn't you wake up earlier? Didn't you know monsoon were arriving? That's my question to them. It's unfair, ma'am, on their part that, oh, the officers were on the ground. We are not interested. We want clear streets. They are creating havoc with Delhi.
I'm going to thank you, Anika Mehrotra, also Reena Gupta and Mr. Khurana for joining us with your views on that story that we are tracking from the national capital. Delhi in news for all the wrong reasons today. Completely waterlogged. Many questions being raised about poor maintenance, poor infrastructure, complete urban collapse. Multiplicity of agencies, lots of problems in the national capital because of the unique character. Because this, remember, is the national capital territory of Delhi. Some power within the state government, many powers with the central government. That also, in fact, brings us to the end of this edition. You're getting that story and much up on our website too. That's indiatoday.in. You can also download the app.